Hi, today I've brought with me OPPO Find X2 Neo and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. If you want to activate the silent mode, you should click here on the switcher. To turn it off, we should click here on the switcher once again. As we can see, when the silent mode is activated, our media ringtones and notifications, they are muted. And if you wanna just unmute silent mode, you can also make it by the second way, just by slide to the right side this dot on ringtone volume panel. So if you want to set the don't disturb mode, we should click on the switcher, and to set the schedule we should use also this section, the start and the end time. You can also allow notifications, messages and calls just from no one, anyone, just only for contacts, favorite contacts, to use don't disturb in to read ring for repeated calls, and to silence media in don't disturb mode you should also use the switcher. So let's go back. Here we can see our volume panels, the media ringtone notifications and alarm volume panels. Just to change their volumes, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to change ringtone, message and notification sound, you should just make it here in the sections. Also we can here turn on vibration on ring or on silent modes. And to change the haptics and tones, if you want to use the haptics, you should turn on or turn off this switcher. And to turn on or turn off the dial band tones, screen lock and lock sound, screenshots, deletion sound, fingerprint animation sound and touch sounds, you should click on each of the switcher. So let's go also back, and if you want to use the Dolby Atoms, you should make it here in this section. And in advanced settings we can change the volume button function from media 1 to the ringtone. Just now by press up or down volume button we'll change the media volume, and to change the ringtone volume we should just switch it here. Also we can change default recorder from auto select to add on, and we can also use here in-ear monitoring option. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our OPPO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.